coding is one of the most demanded skills in the current times that can get you some really ravishing career opportunities or jobs. Whether you're working with Java or Python or C++, or any other renowned language, there is a significant demand for all these programming languages. In a nutshell, if you're considering a career in programming, then you can surely go for it. Meanwhile, what you need to know is to start earning money from your coding skills. You're not required to wait to become an expert. You can start making money from coding even while learning itself. As mentioned above, yes, you can start earning money from programming or coding while learning to code, although you need to be a bit more dedicated, enthusiastic, and consistent to achieve the particular goal. So, are you a coding student wanting to earn money while learning? Well, there are plenty of ways to make money while learning to code. In this article, we'll be discussing 7 effective ways to earn money while learning to code. Without further ado, let's get started. Coding competitions are a great way to earn money while learning to code. By participating in these competitions, you can not only hone your coding skills but also win cash prizes. Additionally, many coding competitions offer scholarships to the winners, which can help you pay for your education or other career plans. Plus, if you ever decide to pursue a career in programming, having coding competition experience on your resume will make you more attractive to potential employers. Hence, coding is a great way to make money and learn how to code at the same time. If you're looking for an opportunity to engage your skills while earning money, there's no better choice than entering into coding competitions. Coding is a sought-after skill in today's job market, and there are many ways to learn the trade. For those who are just starting out, becoming a freelance programmer can be a great option to earn money while honing their skills. Not only will they be able to work on real projects with clients, but they'll also get first-hand experience with what it's like to work as a coder. In addition, freelancers can set their own hours and rates, giving them the freedom to learn at their own pace. And for those who are worried about finding work, there are now many online platforms that connect coders with businesses and individuals who need their services. So if you're looking to earn money while learning to code, freelancing is a great place to start.
Coding is an important profession that demands both practical and academic knowledge. And there's no need to be a coding expert. In addition to earning money, blogging is also a great way to learn more about coding. Start blogging today and earn money while learning to code. There's no doubt that coding is a valuable skill to learn in today's economy. With the right coding skills, you can create amazing things like websites, apps, and software. And if you're looking to earn some extra money, selling plugins is a great way to do it. Not only will you be able to earn some money while you learn how to code, but you'll also be able to learn about the business side of things. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money and learn a new skill, creating and selling plugins is a great option. Plus, the WordPress community is always in need of new and improved plugins. So why not give it a shot? One way to start earning money while learning to code is by starting an online tutorial channel on YouTube. By providing clear and concise instruction, you can help others to learn the basics of coding by creating video tutorials and offering them for a small fee. You can not only teach others about coding but also generate income. In addition, by setting up a donation button or linking to affiliate products, you can start generating income from your page. So, why not give it a try? You may be surprised at how much you can earn while you learn to code.
Sell ebooks about coding. This is the perfect way to monetize your skills while also helping others who are struggling to learn. There are a few things to keep in mind when selling ebooks about coding. First, focus on a specific coding language or skill set. This will make your ebook more valuable and easier to sell. Next, keep your ebook well organized and easy to follow. Coding can be confusing, so make sure your ebook is clear and concise. Finally, don't forget to market your ebook. Share it on social media, post it on forums, and reach out to bloggers and influencers in the coding community. With a little effort, you can make money while you learn to code.
One great way to learn to code is by creating applications that have the potential to generate income. Not only will this give you practical experience in coding, but it can also provide a valuable source of revenue. There are a number of ways to monetize apps, such as through advertising, in-app purchases, or premium features. And with the vast majority of people now owning smartphones, there is a large potential market for your app. Of course, creating a successful app takes more than just coding skills. It also